Our friends at purplehobbies.com sent me this unique, magnetic, collapsible pin cup holder and a few other items to test out after they watched my rave review of their third-hand binding clip in my tutorial. So I'll give you my honest opinion and I'll let you know if it's worth it to keep this in your sewing room to keep it organized. Then be sure to stick around to the end of the video because there is a special discount on any order from purplehobbies.com. Let's get started. I loved anything that has to do with storing my pins. I travel, I take my sewing machine and my supplies with me, whether I'm going to a retreat, whether I'm taking a class, maybe I'm just traveling on vacation and I have all my supplies with me. The most difficult thing I have to take with me is my pins, because if I put them on a magnetic pin holder, they still can fall off, so I end up putting them in a plastic bag. If I put them on a pin cushion, same thing, they still can come out. I can still lose them, but I came across this magnetic pin cup by purplehobbies.com, and it is really an answer to all of those issues in a very simple way. This is a magnetic pin holder. I love my extra fine clover pins that I use for all of my piecing. They're the little teeny tiny ones. Now we use these as well, but the clover tiny ones look like this. They are very sharp and they are always sticking me when I try and pick them up off of the pin cushion, off of the magnetic pin holder. But here we go with this. This is a little pin cup. It's in actually 3 parts. It has a screw-on lid. When you take the lid off, there are my pins inside. You can see they're in there. But the best part of this is when I am ready to use this is a great way to store it. I just put the lid back on. But while I'm using it, all I have to do is turn it to the left, and look at that. The pin holder actually sits flat on my cutting table. And I don't know if I can tip it to the side so you can see. All of the pins are standing upright. The heads of the pins are here, not the points, so I'm not going to get stuck with them. I can easily use them. It's magnetic, so when I drop my pin back in, it grabs it. It doesn't just fall off onto the table. And I can use my pins when I am finished and I need to either leave and put it back in my sewing bag. This just slides up nicely. I lock it and I put the lid back on it. It is amazing. I think this is the best little product. Thanks again to Purple Hobbies for sending us this magnetic pin cup holder to test out. As a free gift to all Joyful and Merry subscribers, they are giving a 15% discount on any item in their store. All you have to do when you check out is enter Mary Sent Me in the coupon code area, and the 15% discount is yours. So thank you to purplehobbies.com, and thank you for watching.